My name is Arthinox, and this is Cloaked Mysteries. Today, I invite you on a journey unlike anything you've ever seen before. A deep immersion into a hidden, silent, and powerful world. A realm that exists beneath the waves, far from our eyes. Where ancient mysteries wait to be revealed. Prepare yourself to descend beyond the surface. Beyond the light, beyond safety, beyond what is familiar. Because the ocean is not just water. It is an entire universe alive, unpredictable, and vastly unexplored. The ocean covers most of our planet, yet paradoxically remains almost unknown. Less explored than the surface of the moon, it holds alien landscapes, where life follows its own rules. Beneath this endless blue vastness, a pulsating world exists. An environment where order and chaos coexist. Currents shape invisible continents, crushing pressures test the limits of life, and every layer reveals new secrets. The depths are not empty. They are filled with motion, energy, and adaptation. Creatures evolved to survive where light cannot reach, where the cold is constant, and silence is absolute. Every meter descended into the ocean feels like crossing a new frontier. Life changes, transforms, reinvents itself. What we know from the surface does not apply here. This submerged universe functions independently from our world. It has its own laws, its own cycles, and a complexity we are still far from understanding. To explore the ocean is to explore the absolute unknown. And the deeper we go, the more we realize how little we truly know. Seen from space, the ocean appears calm, a vast blue blanket wrapping the planet. But behind this tranquil appearance, there exists a vital system that sustains all life on Earth. More than half of the oxygen we breathe comes directly from the ocean. Invisible microorganisms work tirelessly, regulating the atmosphere and maintaining the planet's balance. Beyond that, the ocean acts as a climate regulator. It absorbs heat, captures carbon dioxide, and distributes energy across the globe. Without this natural mechanism, Earth would be uninhabitable. Ocean currents function like the planet's arteries. They transport nutrients, heat, and life between continents, shaping entire climates. What happens in the ocean does not stay in the ocean. It influences storms, droughts, temperatures, and even the future of humanity. To ignore the importance of the oceans is to ignore human survival itself. They are the silent heart of Earth, beating constantly. Beneath the waves, the ocean is home to some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. Beings that seem as if they came straight out of science fiction, yet are completely real. Dolphins display remarkable intelligence. They communicate, cooperate, and solve complex problems. Their awareness challenges our definition of animal intelligence. Sharks, on the other hand, are perfect survival machines. With extremely sharp senses, they detect vibrations, electric fields, and even a single drop of blood from afar. But not everything is about strength and speed. In the depths, bioluminescent creatures produce their own light. They turn total darkness into a hypnotic spectacle. This light is not just beauty. It serves communication, defense, and hunting. Every glow is a precise adaptation. In an extreme environment, where mistakes mean extinction, the ocean proves again and again that life always finds a way. Even under the harshest conditions, it adapts, evolves, and survives. Coral are true underwater cities. Colorful, complex, and full of life. They shelter nearly 25% of all marine species. Each reef is an ecosystem in delicate balance. Fish, crustaceans, algae, and corals depend on one another to survive in perfect harmony. Some species have developed symbiotic relationships. The clownfish, for example, lives protected among sea anemones while providing food and cleaning in exchange for shelter. Despite their importance, reefs are extremely fragile. Climate change, pollution, and destructive fishing practices are devastating these environments. The loss of reefs does not affect only the ocean. It impacts the food chain, coastal communities, and global balance. Protecting reefs means protecting the heart of the ocean. Without them, a vast portion of marine life would simply vanish. When we think of giants, the blue whale surpasses all comparison. The largest animal to ever exist on Earth, outgrowing even the biggest dinosaurs. In size and weight, reaching up to 100 feet in length, this colossal being is surprisingly gentle. It feeds on tiny organisms and travels thousands of miles on solitary migrations. Its communication is equally astonishing. The sounds it produces are the lowest in the animal kingdom, capable of traveling hundreds of miles underwater. Each whale carries a unique acoustic signature. These songs aid navigation, communication, and possibly orientation across the vast ocean. But whales are not alone in this realm. Orcas, whale sharks, and other giants also play essential roles. In marine balance, the presence of these titans keeps ecosystems stable. When they disappear, the entire system begins to collapse. As we descend deeper into the ocean, sunlight vanishes completely. We enter a world of absolute darkness, crushing pressure, and extreme temperatures. Yet life still thrives. Abyssal creatures defy everything we consider possible. They survive without light, without warmth, and under immense pressure. These beings possess unique adaptations, flexible bodies, slow metabolisms, and highly specialized senses ensure survival. In such an extreme environment, every discovery in the deep redefines our understanding of life. It shows that life does not depend on the conditions we once believed essential. Exploring the ocean floor is like exploring another planet. Each mission reveals life forms that seem alien, yet belong to our world. And the more we explore, the more we realize how much remains undiscovered. The deep ocean stands as Earth's final great frontier. Despite its vastness, the ocean is incredibly delicate. Small changes can trigger massive consequences throughout the entire system. Seaweeds, for instance, form underwater forests. They absorb enormous amounts of carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. These forests provide shelter and food for countless species. Without them, entire food chains collapse. Every marine organism serves a specific purpose. When one species disappears, a domino effect ripples through the ecosystem. The ocean regulates climate, sustains life, and maintains planetary balance. It is no exaggeration to say that it sustains humanity. Caring for the ocean means caring for ourselves. Ignoring it puts at risk the future of life on Earth. As technology advances, human impact on the oceans grows. Pollution, global warming, and overexploitation threaten this ancient balance. Still, there is hope. Science advances, new areas are protected, and global awareness is beginning to awaken. Every action matters. Every choice counts. Preserving the oceans is not an option. It is an urgent necessity. The ocean is not a distant backdrop. It is connected to every breath we take, every climate system, every form of life on this planet. By understanding its mysteries, we learn to respect it, and by respecting it, we ensure it continues to exist for future generations. The future of the ocean is also the future of humanity. The ocean is vast, ancient, and powerful. It holds secrets that challenge our imagination and sustains life as we know it. Exploring it is a privilege. Protecting it is a responsibility. If this content sparked something within you, leave a comment below. Which ocean mysteries fascinate you the most? What do you believe is still hidden in the depths? Subscribe to Cloaked Mysteries and become part of this journey into the unknown. Here, we explore the secrets of the world that few dare to face. Until the next mystery.